Viola Desmond. She was a legendary Black Canadian.
In 1946, Viola was arrested and convicted for the refusal to pay the right amount for her movie ticket. The students in Division 4 will tell you the real story behind Viola Desmond's heroic legacy.
Let's take a look. Viola Desmond was born in Nova Scotia. She worked in a beauty salon. Viola was a Canadian businesswoman.
She went to a movie theater to go watch a movie.
She asked the movie theater cashier, "Can I have a ticket and sit down on the bottom row?"
Well, the cashier said, "No, this is not for your people. You have to sit in the balcony." The balcony level was for blacks only. She bought one ticket and went inside. Viola didn't want to sit in the balcony seats, so she chose to sit in the front.
During the movie, the ushers came and asked her to go sit in the balcony. Viola said, "No, I have rights to sit down here."
So they called the police. They arrested her and blamed the case against her.
Viola Desmond went to court and was found guilty. She had to pay a $26 fine. That was a lot back then.
Viola helped us start the civil rights movement in Canada, and she inspired Black people to try and put an end to segregation.
White people and black people shouldn't have different rights just because of the skin color they have. I think Viola was brave that she stood up for her heritage.
Viola's story has a good ending. She started the civil rights movement in Canada to help people of all skin colors to be treated equally. In 2010, the government of Nova Scotia apologized to Viola and said she never should have been arrested.
Viola also replaced Sir John A. Macdonald on the Canadian $10 bill. Viola is the first Canadian woman to beat on our money. It is very important to celebrate Viola's legacy. What she did was super brave.
In 1965, she died at the age of 50. Viola Desmond is dead and gone, but her memory lingers on. She was a true hero. I thought you'd only go to jail if you'd done something wrong. What is happening here? Oh, this is not right for her. She did a wonderful thing.